state. Dear, sometimes we get burns from boiling water or chemical.
How to treat it, Mom?
In case of chemical burns, wash off with a lot of water or apply an antiseptic. If it gets severe, rush to the doctor immediately. If blisters are formed due to burn, clean the affected area and cover with a sterile gauze. If a rabid animal bites you, immediately wash the wound with soap to remove the germs. Rush the victim to the doctor and apply an antiseptic lotion to the wound. If it is a snake bite, then we should tie a band tightly just above the bite to stop the flow of blood and take the victim to the doctor for anti-venom injection, as the poison of the snake bite flows through the blood circulation. When a bone is fractured, don't make the person move in that position. Tie a cloth to provide support to that part.